I'm Dr. Stella Vnook, and I'm the CEO of Likarda. We're a drug delivery technology that's really innovating on how cell and therapy and biologics therapy are delivered. We're working on innovative formulations by encapsulating cell therapy or biologics or proteins and making the therapy sustained release, long-acting, delivered directly to the tumor, or it could be delivered through a sub-Q or IM formulation, also sustained release. Our technology also solves a major bottleneck in logistics. We're able to ship our products on dry ice and eventually ship our products at -20 and maybe even room temperature. That will really allow us to not only transport these globally with great ease, but also enable these patients that maybe are in remote locations to receive these therapies. So I believe we play a critical role in improving patient outcomes in our encapsulation technology, but also solving a huge logistic challenge. This has been a fantastic meeting. Actually, the perfect timing where we needed the energy and we needed to come together to feel enthusiastic about cell and gene therapy again. I think a lot of us had a lot of hopes, and this has been a challenging year. Listening to everybody's feedback of thoughts and experiences, I come out feeling energized again about the industry, about opportunities, hearing from investors, and going back to our work committed to improving the lives of patients.